Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Erath County and Hood County until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Across the warned area, between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stephenville, Granbury, Pecan Plantation, Lipan, Bluffdale, Oak Trail Shores, Squaw Creek Reservoir, Morgan Mill, Decadova, Crescent, Toller, Stockton Bend, Wapples, Mambrino, Paluxy, Lake Granbury, Petillo, and Acton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The current time is 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC55. Serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area.